personal introduction. Andre Dwi Susilo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm happy to introduce myself. My name is Andre Dwi Susilo and you can call me Andre. I was born in Semarang on May 29, 1998, so I'm now 26 years old. I graduated from the Nursing Academy Kusda 4 di Ponorogo, Semarang in 2019. I have lived in my parents in Bandungan since birth until now, and my parents work as a flower and vegetable farmer. And I have one older brother who works as a nurse at RSUD Salatiga. Regarding my work experience after graduating from college in 2019, I worked at clinic for 1 year, then became a nurse at RSUD Ambarawa. I worked there for 1 year in 2022. I had to change my workplace because I became a civil servant or PNS at Banca Health Center or Puskesmas Banca. In the middle of these years, I dedicated to pursue further studies, actually at Ngudi Waluyo University. This is because I want to increase my knowledge about my profession for my next degree. I am happy with this process, although it's full of struggle. And by the way, my hobbies are singing and listening to various types of music. And one more thing, I am currently pursuing a hobby of participating in running events such as a 5 km, 10 km, and soon I will participate in a 21 km running event or half marathon. Alright, that's all myself introducing myself. Have a nice day everybody. See you. Thank you.